two Hypebeast mystery boxes today for you guys. One is gonna be from Soul Steals. That's this one. The other one is gonna be from Laced Up. We haven't done a Laced Up box in a while. You guys see the Soul Steals ones kind of often, but we are gonna be comparing them to see which of these $1,000 Hypebeast mystery boxes is better. In terms of value, in terms of diversity, just in terms of the overall content of what you're gonna get in the box. So should be really interesting, man. It's pretty high tier and I'm looking forward to it. So stay tuned, that is coming up next. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled here, back once again with another $1,000 Hypebeast mystery box opening, but this is gonna be a double opening. One, like I was saying earlier, is gonna be from Soul Steals, which is right here, the Soul Steals box, and two, the Laced Up box, which is a lot more decorated, you guys can tell, but I don't know, sometimes decorating it doesn't always mean that it's better inside. So we gotta take a look at this. First off, let's go over a little bit about both of the shops. So over here, Laced Up is a shop that actually has 3 different shops, but I think the main one where they send these boxes out is from New York. These guys have a huge supply of mystery boxes, man. They got boxes that are up to like $20,000, $50,000, which no, we're not doing that. But they have a huge range of variety of different types of boxes, and the thing is, it's not membership. You can buy these boxes whenever you want. As for the Soul Steals boxes, Soul Steals is actually a membership website. They're based out of California, and you have to pay $20 a month in order to access this site, which gives you the opportunity to buy hype boxes. Hype boxes range from 4 different values, so a lot less variety in terms of value, but the caveat of that is that the contents have always seemed to be much better in terms of like value of the overall stuff and just overall hype of what you're getting in the box. So it should be a cool comparison. I haven't done a Laced Up in a while. What we're going to be doing is putting 2 counters on the screen. You guys will see the Laced Up box over here, and you guys will see the Soul Steals box over here. So it should be kind of interesting to see a direct comparison between the two. I'm not sure if I wanted to do this by opening one at a time or by opening them both simultaneously and then kind of going 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Let's open them both simultaneously. That sounds a lot more fun. So we'll put up both over here. And yeah, let's just get right into it, man. If you guys have not already, though, be sure to subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell so you guys can join the hashtag Untitled Ohana. Definitely want you guys part of that Ohana. Definitely want you guys part of this family, man. And if you guys do end up liking this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Anyway, let's open it up and take a look. Alright, we have the boxes opened up. I will put the Soul Steals over here, and the Laced Up is over here. Let's open up a piece from the Laced Up first, though. This one, what's nice about Laced Up is that they wrap everything very, like, nice and neat. Oh, yeah, and I forgot to mention, if you guys couldn't tell, it's purple and green and stuff because it's a Halloween-themed box. So it should be kind of cool. They got, like, a lot of Halloween-themed kind of stuff inside of it. And you guys can tell, that is some very Halloween colors, man. You got that orange, you got that purple Ape Head. It doesn't get more festive or like outgoing than this. Early on, it looks like there's a lot more like quantity inside of the Laced Up box versus the Soul Steals box, which we'll get into right now. First item out of the Soul Steals box is another Bape tee. Okay, this one is, so it's a black Bape tee. It says a bathing ape on the back over there. Front, it has that Ape Head, which is kind of dope. This one, I think I like a lot better than this color just because I can match this with a lot more. The next piece out we got from Alright, so I gotta show you guys this box, okay? So for the Laced Up box, like I was saying, it's Halloween themed. They got like little like Halloween kind of stuff in here. There's like wine. I don't know why that one's in the shape of a heart. Another shape of a heart. Streamers and stuff. So I mean, that's cute, I guess. It doesn't really add to the value of the box, if anything, but it's a nice little theme, you know, Halloween box. Spooky. Ooh, okay. I was opening this one up and then I found out that there's actually like a rack of box logo stickers right here. That's kind of cool. I'm not sure if that's supposed to add to the value of the box, but I'll put it up on here anyway. Piece right here is a Bape thermos, it looks like. You guys can see right there, it says Bape right across, has camel vibes over it, and yeah, it looks like it's just like a thermos for like coffee or water or whatever you want to put in here. So that's cool. Never seen this before. Going back to the Soul Steals box, next up we have a, oh, okay. So we got another Bape tee, but this one, as you can see right here, is a much more stand out kind of Bape tee, guys. Look at that. That's like a multicolor camo Bape head, which is kind of cool, man. I'm not gonna lie, this one's dope. Bathing ape tees, I feel like, from what I've seen, they typically go for about $120 each. Some of the rarer ones obviously go for a lot more, but that's where I kind of see that market falling. So in terms of value, I feel like right now the Soul Steels is kind of higher, but again, I can't tell until the end of the video. All right, going back to the laced up box now. These laced up boxes actually come with like their bags and stuff too a lot of the time. And like I was saying, there's a whole bunch of stuff in here, dude. Like in terms of sheer quantity, there's gonna be a lot more on this side, so I might have to start opening 2 items versus the 1 Soul Steel to like keep up. Oh, okay, cool. So we got a Supreme shoulder bag. I think this is the shoulder bag. Yeah, we got the Supreme shoulder bag. So this is pretty clean. We have this before, and one more item. Liquid metal tee, so these just came out as well, which is kind of cool. Again, in terms of that Halloween vibe, I guess that's why it's on a green shirt. And back to Soul Steels. Oh, we have direct competition, guys. So you guys just saw that green liquid metal Supreme tee. Well, we have a black liquid metal Supreme tee. This one is in the bag though. And yeah, I'm sure the values are pretty similar. I'm not sure if the color makes much of a difference for this particular like design, but it can't be that far off. So it should be pretty close over here on the counter so far. The hype stuff is definitely coming, man. I can see what's in the Soul Steels one already. Let's take a look in this one. All right, so last 2 in this first bag. All right, so we got another Bape tee here. This one is also in like an olive kind of color by Bathing Ape tee with like the katakana going across it. I don't know if you guys can see that orange kind of hidden in there, but again, pretty festive in terms of Halloween vibes. So they're definitely following the theme of the box, and I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Like, how many people are gonna want to wear like that bright orange Bape tee that we saw at the beginning, or like some of these colors versus more neutral colors like black and stuff like that. So like with like all hype stuff though, they all have value, so I'm not worried about it, but it does make a slight difference in terms of colors and stuff. All right, and so that other piece was a lot bigger. Okay, there's like little like balls and stuff in here too. I don't know, and there's like eraser Frankenstein. This is weird, man. Oh, okay, I think this is one of the money pieces for this box, because this is a hoodie. You guys can see over here, it has that World Gone Mad like stitched in here, which is kind of cool. Over here, you can see that tiger look. Also has the sharks on the side, which is kind of dope. Goes right through the zippers over here. And yeah, no really big logo on the front or on the back. So this one's pretty clean. Most of the time the hoodies go for a lot of money at retail, so that value should be a lot higher now based off of that one piece. Let's take a look back at Soul Steels to see if we can catch up in terms of value on the screen. Okay, so I missed this at the beginning, but it looks like we have a Supreme accessory, which is the shoulder bag this past spring summer season, I believe. So yeah, you can see the Supreme running down the side over here. Red is usually one of the more money pieces in terms of colors for accessories and stuff like that, because Supreme, red box logo, anything that matches with it makes sense. A lot of festive stuff in that box, I guess. All right, so next 2. Whew, man, they're really unloading those. I'm not even gonna open this. You guys can see right here, by Bathing Ape. It's just a standard orange with like a black ape head. Not much to see there. And the next thing out is a 2-for-1, it looks like. Bape keychain right here, sealed. And over here, this is a freebie, I guess. It's a laced up tee. So that doesn't provide any value on screen whatsoever. Back to Soul Steels. Interesting right here. A 500-piece jigsaw puzzle. I've never seen this before. But yeah, it's that digi print thing, I guess. I don't know, you just gonna see that right there. So, if Hypebeast ever wanna like do a puzzle, then, I mean, I guess. I don't know, man, that's weird. We're coming down to the wire. Let's see what else we have in this one. It's a Bathing Ape head, the really, really huge one, and it has a camel vibe over a black shirt, so that's good. And as for Soul Steels, we have a shoebox in here, which is cool. We were just saying how there wasn't shoe boxes in the last box, but this one is huge, so it does have shoes. And these are a pair of the Homage to Home Jordan 1s, so this is sick, man. I love these shoes. These are definitely gonna raise in value over time, in my opinion, so a good keeper as well. Man, my desk is like getting super full of just stuff. There's too much stuff here. We got 3 more for laced up and one really big one for Soul Steels. This one is a Supreme tee, it looks like. This season, I think. There's like fruits, bread. I don't know what the heck this is, man. It says Supreme boldly on top though, so that's pretty clean. And we have one more Bape tee, which, oh, okay, this is kind of cool. I'll take this one out for you guys. This is from the recent Popeyes collab, so you guys can see right there that Bape circle with the homie Popeye eating his can of spinach. So this is kind of cool. Iconic show, iconic comic, so pretty dope. Alright, and so the last thing we got in the Soul Steals box is North Face Supreme Parka. And these are the metallic rose, like rose gold, rose metal, or whatever they're calling it, Parka from like last season. A lot of people weren't hyped about, man. I actually copped this for retail and I really liked it, but it is very not functional, I feel like, just because it kind of like pops a lot more and it's kind of overbearing in terms of just how metallic it looks, you know? So a lot of people didn't like this, but there's still great value on this. So I think this covers at least half the box. And that is actually it for the Soul Steals box. We got one more piece for laced up. This feels like a pillow or something. And it is a bathing ape pillow. You guys can see right there, just literally a pillow. So that's it. Comparing the two boxes, you guys can see on screen over here what the values were the whole time. I really have no idea until like after I calculate everything and then edit and put it on the screen. So just my initial reaction to this, I gotta say that I feel like the Soul Steals takes it again. Just because like the stuff in here is more hype, dude. Like I got a Jordan 1, I got a TNF Parka, got the hyped accessory, this one. And then yeah, a couple Bape tees, it's liquid metal tee, that's not bad. For the laced up side, there was some good stuff in here. We had that hoodie, which is worth probably a lot of money. We got a lot more quantity, so if you guys are down for quantity, then you guys can go over to this side, which makes a lot more sense. But in terms of just overall hype, I don't know if it's there. And in terms of value, I really have no idea because there are so many Bape pieces. It makes it hard for me to like do math in my head to like calculate how much I think this one is worth. So maybe when I'm editing this video, I'm gonna like regret saying, okay, this one is a lot better because there might be a huge like value on this screen. But I think that it's probably here. I don't know, that's just how I feel. And in terms of ease of movement, if I sold everything, this side would obviously be a lot easier to move. So that's what I like about both. They both have their caveats, they both have their flaws, but overall, in terms of the content for this channel, it makes for a really good video. So if you guys want to see more direct comparison videos between Laced Up and Soul Steals, or if you guys have another shop that you guys want me to look at for mystery boxes, let me know in the comments below. Leave that thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry it was longer, but I mean, that's how long it takes to open up 2 boxes, guys. But anyway, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots!
Then you're left in the dust, unless I stuck by you. You're a sunflower. I think your love would be too much, or you'd be left